Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Raoulakoot.
This is what they've been waiting for, and this is the winning moment, the trophy, the biggest prize for any team. 19 days of hard work, 19 days of great cricket, and we've come down to this ceremony where the deserving winners lift the trophy. Raoulakoot Hawks winning the final by 7 runs. What a close margin that was. What a brilliant performance that was. Probably throughout the game nobody gave them a chance, but then they came out so strong right in the end, exactly when it mattered, and they won themselves the first edition of the SRG KPL, the Kashmir Premier League. Raoulakoot Hawks, led by Shahid Afridi and his men, with Asif Afridi winning himself the man of the match by bowling that last brilliant over in which he had 2 wickets and just that 1 run that was given away.